Okay, guys. So this is my channel that I've been posting some betting tips of, but this particular one is for forex traders. Okay, I wanted to share this particular uh, strategy that I use in my day by day forex trading activities. Okay, so in forex trading, if you don't know anything about forex trading, check in my the link in the description for my number, then chat me up. I can help you out and understand some basic things, then also learn more about forex. Okay, so this is just a simple analysis that mostly I do. So let's head over to my account. So this is MetaTrader 5. Okay, and let me switch my screen so that everybody can see what I'm doing. So let me switch it this way. Okay, so this is my screen, and this is gold. Okay, gold. And let me put, so if you are already a forex trader, this is the strategy. So this is what I do. um i I mostly go on 1 hour time frame. Okay, at first, then I try to mark out the time from currently is, let me scroll down. My currently is as you can see the time, it's currently 1:16, okay, in the afternoon. So it's 1:16 in the afternoon. So all I have to do is, my strategy works with time basis. Okay, so from 1 o'clock, okay, from 1 o'clock in the afternoon to 2 o'clock, we only have to analyze the market trend. Okay, so before 2 o'clock, I just have to mark my 1 o'clock. Okay, so I put it on 1 hour time frame, and I just mark set for 1 o'clock. So 1 o'clock will be, okay, so this candlestick is 1 o'clock, right? So here's where I mark my um I mark it up. That's the beginning of time. So I just mark it up with let me use a different symbol here. So I will mark it with, you let me mark it with a vertical line. Okay, so I will mark this candlestick with a vertical line. Let me edit it. Okay, let me increase. Okay, let me use the color blue or green. Okay, okay, let me use a different, so orange. Okay, and it should be in the background. Save. So I mark that particular place. Okay, that's the beginning of the time. I mark it. Then I search for up to 2 o'clock, so up to 1400. Okay, so this will be the 1400 bar. So that one too, I'll mark it. Okay, so the strategy is very simple. So I'll mark it with this one. Okay, now we have two marked areas. Okay, then we switch to 15th minute. Okay, so you can see this is the window for the marketing candlesticks within that particular time. Then we go to 5 minutes. Okay, so simply you move to 5 minutes. So whatever that happens here, this is the strategy. If the market moves up, okay, if the market moves up within this range, okay, if the candlesticks moves up, if it becomes an uptrend, that means from uh from 2 o'clock to, let's say, from 2 o'clock, just a 2 hour interval, 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock, it will be a downtrend. Okay, so that's the simplest way I can explain about this particular strategy. So from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock, we monitor it, then we go the opposite of it, that's after 2 o'clock. If it happens to be that the market drops, okay, if it drops, then from 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock maximum, 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock, or even at the end of the day, but most likely trade from 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock. That shortest period of time, that will make me a huge sum of money. If it is a downtrend, then we will go the opposite way of an uptrend. So it's very simple. That's the whole analysis that I do for this particular strategy. And within a week, it can happen for like 4 times in a week. Okay, and one thing you have to know is you shouldn't do this particular um, particular analysis on a day that there is news for that maybe USD currency. Okay, if there is a high impact news about US dollar, you shouldn't be trading that particular any pair that has USD in it. Okay, because it will change the whole strategy into something else. So this is how I trade, and that's how I make my money. I've been doing this for the past 3 years, and that's I'll not say that's the only strategy that I have, but that's one of the strategies that I use most frequently. So you can see from 1 o'clock it's 1:22, right? And the market is moving upwards. As you can see, the market is moving upwards. That means there's a high possibility that from 2 o'clock going, the market will drop, okay, up to 4 o'clock. So that's how the system is. And you can see this is my trading account, and I started with 2,000 Ghana cedis. As you can see, I started with 2,000 Ghana cedis, and I also deposited 7,000, making 9,000, and that 9,000 is what I've made some profits on. Okay, I have losses as well, and I have big wins as well. So in trading, you won't just win, okay, constantly. You sometimes face some difficulties somewhere. So that's it. This is just this account, I opened it. I've been trading over 7 years now, but this particular account, I opened it 4 months ago. Okay, I wasn't even active on it, but it's in Ghana cedis as well. It's not in dollars. Okay, it's in Ghana cedis. It's a Ghana cedi account. So that's the strategy. So we just wait for it to reach 2 o'clock, then we go the opposite of the market trend from 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock or 5. Okay, so that's how the strategy works.